It was the pandemic time and my father recently died at that time. So I was in grief. I I was in limbo. I had no idea what to do. So that's why I took a chance. I said, "What the heck? It's something new. What could go wrong? I felt everything was wrong anyway. So why not give it a chance?"
Welcome to another episode of Unstoppable You NLP Success Journeys. I'm your host, June Acevedo. I'm a certified neurolinguistic programming master trainer and a mindset mastery and transformational leadership coach. In this podcast, we uncover the extraordinary stories of transformation powered by neurolinguistic programming. Today, we're diving deep into one life changing journey that started with a drive for excellence and being the best. Imagine flipping the script and discovering a version of yourself that's unstoppable. That's the power of NLP, and that's what we're exploring today. Now, allow me to introduce our guest for this evening. Our guest is someone whose energy, wisdom, and heart for transformation are truly next level. He is a life coach, a motivational speaker, and a true catalyst for change. Whether it's helping people break free from their limiting beliefs or guiding them to discover their higher purpose, Coach JC delivers with high impact and authenticity. He's walked the path, done the inner work, and now is on a mission to help others rise and become unstoppable versions of themselves. So get ready to take notes, open your heart, and welcome the unstoppable energy, Coach John Carlos Coros. Coach, can you take us back to the moment when everything changed in your life? What was your breaking point or wall that you were facing during that time?
During that time, before I went for NLP certification, that program. Um, well, I had no idea that this exists. Well, many have no idea what NLP is, what we do, and how we change lives. Before everything, I was, should I say, hesitant. But the only thing that made me say yes was one, obviously, because we're friends. Number two, I was like, I'm fed up. I have no idea what to go, what to do, where to go. So what's keeping me from doing it anyway? So it was pandemic time. I had nothing to do, and I said, why not give it a chance? It's something new. Why? So I think I made a really good decision doing that for everything right now. Well, the things my world changed, my perspective changed, my well everything changed.
When you were so fed up during that time, what were the thoughts running through your mind at that time? And what made you realize that something had to change?
For context for our viewers right now, it was the pandemic time and my father recently died at that time. So I was in grief. I was in limbo. I had no idea what to do. So that's why I took a chance. I said, "What the heck? It's something new. What could go wrong?"
Yep.
I felt everything was wrong anyway. So why not give it a chance? Because I know that it's NLP. So from the statement, it's the words like neuro linguistic programming. With me, I have a bit of understanding with psychology because it's one of my favorite subject once in college. So I said maybe this can give me a boost of how can I change myself, which ultimately did not just change myself, but now I'm a change agent for others as well.
Coach, no, was there a specific NLP tool or technique that immediately shifted your perspective when you learned that?
I can't say that's there's gonna be one
Mm,
specific, but maybe a collection of tools.
mm,
Initially, I learned how to anchor.
mm,
That was one of our lessons that uh, I could say easy at the time. It was easy to understand because that's the whole point. You have to understand as easy as possible, as fast as possible to shift your mind. So having that mindset shift already gave a leap for my mindset. If you have that mindset of being stuck, being in dark corner of your life, then just imagine just looking up and seeing the light. That's how much change I felt when I entered or learned about NLP, especially how to practice it. So yeah, and anchoring uh, is going to be one of my favorite because everything actually I'm gonna give you a very short uh, story because every time I explain anchoring, I parang tawag dito, parang hinahalin tulad ko siya sa parang sinasampal ka.
mm.
So, tinatanong ko parati is like, sino bang nasampal na? Ano na feel niyo? So like, there will be always people that will say, negative kasi sinampal sila ng ex nila or nasampal sila dahil napagalitan sila. Ako naman sabi ko, nasampal ko yung sarili ko. Kasi nung high school ako, I was pulling my backpack. Then it was stuck. So when I got my bag, I accidentally slapped my face. So that's the memory of sampal para sa akin. It's not about sinasampal ka ng kung sino-sino, but yung minsan, ano rin, katangahan din. So, anchoring gave me an understanding that if we want to remember a really good expression, feeling, or state of mind, uh, we have control over it. Whether we have whether we have a really bad day, especially me last year, I had a very bad few months, but anchoring kept me sane. You know what happened to me last year. So, but it kept me sane. It kept me anchored to my values. And yes, values is one of the most important thing in NLP because with values, that's what drives us to be who we are and what we are and what we want to be in the future.
Some would also share that yung sa kanila naman reframe, no? Reframe.
Yes, reframe.
No, kasi we get to change our perspective in our life despite how, no, how
Hmm.
yung parang how bleak our life is, pero there's always a light at the end of the tunnel, coach.
Yes, like what happened last year when
Ah, yeah. Hmm.
when my my profile and my coaching page was hacked, totally nuked. It took me a few minutes or hours just to reframe my thoughts, and I said, I could have spiraled down for depression because it took me years for that profile. And yes, even my page it took me also years to build that up. Then it took only 10 minutes to be destroyed.
Yeah.
I could have spiraled down to depression, but it took me minutes to understand that, oh, maybe it's a chance for me to rewrite my profile because I think it's gonna be new. Out with the old, in with the new, things like that. So it actually gave me opportunity to improve my profile, improve my page. Now, it's more refined. It's better compared to what I started.
Very good. Very good. Now, coach, can you describe the moment when you felt the breakthrough? What did it feel like, coach?
I could set the example when you change my perspective from eating that double cheeseburger. Do you remember that, coach?
Yes.
Eating the double cheeseburger from McDo. And that perspective uh, was very the same. Like you are still in a world of, I mean, you're still in that world. But now, how you see or react to things is different. Like what happened to the burger. Yes, it's still double cheeseburger, but I now feel that it's a different kind of burger that made me not eat double cheeseburger for years. Even now when I try to, I'm like, siguro, try natin ulit if ano ba yung taste ng double cheeseburger, if it's still the same. Until now, until now, I don't have that much of an appetite for double cheeseburger. So it took, yeah, 3 years na. 3 years na. But yes, you can still taste it, but it's quite different na for me because I've seen the other side of things. And that's how the shift happened for me.
How about personally for your life, coach, no? What was the major breakthrough for you in your life?
My major breakthrough was I I have no, you know that feeling na ano parang hindi ka natatakot.
Hmm.
You're no longer afraid to take a leap uh when that promotion came out. I had no hesitation, just okay, I'll apply for that. Actually, earlier today, there was another promotion that's coming out. So, yes, I'm gonna apply for it with no hesitation. Uh, just do it. You know, if it's for you, it's for you. If it's not, it's okay. Not the learning. So it doesn't really matter if you get it or not, as long as you did something for it.
Yeah.
Yeah, no regrets.
Ang galing, coach, no? I could already feel and hear the confidence in your voice, no? The certainty that you know what you want already in your life, and you know that you will get it, no? Hindi lang can, but you will really get what you want in life, coach. Now, coach, after experiencing your own transformation, ano yung mga pagbabago na nakita mo within yourself and other people or your professional life?
Within myself, like for example, recently I started to do walking. I decided on my own, with the support of my wife, to walk, not to jog, not to run, not to lift weights, just walk. In a matter of 3 months, I lost 15 kilos, and almost all of my pants won't fit no more because ang lilit na nila. I mean, ang liit ko na. Parang lalaki na ng mga pants ko. Kakabili pa lang naman ng isa. Tapos ang laki na. So I'm now looking for belts na additional ano yung holes nila para magamit ko pa yung mga pants ko kasi ang parang lumit na talaga yung waist ko.
Coach, how has your transformation inspired or impacted the people around you? No, let's say your wife, your family, and even your colleagues at work.
My wife, because she's always by my side, literally. uh, right now, she's now actually with me walking because
Mhm.
she had no time doing that especially when she was doing her thesis. Right now, she's almost done. And right now, she's also with me doing walking
Mhm.
because she herself doesn't want to walk at the time.
Mhm.
But because of some militaryo
Mhm.
and some uh, ako uh, tawag dito, parang push. She also now walks with me and minsan siya na yung nagre-remind sa akin to do walking. And uh, my wife actually has really great control with her subconscious.
Mhm.
Or should I say, she has a really powerful mind. The downside is that she focuses more on the negative side noon.
Mhm.
Now she is nakikita mo sa kanya yung effort na she although she initially kapag if there's a problem, she would look at the negative side first, but she makes that effort to look at the positive side. She now reframes it for herself, because maybe because every day, every time na may mga ganong mga events, I keep reminding her, minsan pinapagalitan ko na siya na once don't look at the negative side, look at the positive side, look at the learning.
Yeah.
What happens if like this? Maybe because there's a learning you need to know, something like that. So slowly but surely, she is now adapting to being a positive thinker as a person, because as a coach, you cannot coach your close relatives,
I
especially
agree.
your parents, or so that's also a struggle for me, but they know that what I am doing is changing lives. They see that even my mom now wants to have a session with me, just even for a hypnosis session, she wants to do it na. We're just looking for time na, how to do it. Yes, now my colleagues also know about my coaching. Everybody knows that I'm an NLP coach. Sometimes I conduct team building. Last year I did the team building for DTI copies. And yes, so slowly, Capiz is learning about NLP here in our place, because it's relatively new,
Yeah.
and I'm the only coach here.
Coach, if you could go back and give advice to the version of yourself who was struggling, what would you say, no? Yung struggling na Coach JC before.
Um, Maybe I could say to myself, uh, like what I say to my wife, look at the bright side. I think you need to learn something first, because I needed to learn something. I had to learn a lot of things for me to slowly understand what to do, where to do, how to do it. So it's all part of the learning, because it's not about going there. It's not. I mean, it's not a race. Being being on top is not about being on top. It's about the journey. It's about how you learn. That's more important. You learning the process, because if you skip that part, if you reach the top, you wouldn't feel anything. You wouldn't even help anyone, because you don't understand the process. Learning the process is so important that you need to experience it firsthand. The grind, the pain, the understanding, that's all part of the plan. It's all part of the learning. You can't give what you don't have. So yeah, that's the most important thing. And never give up. Yeah, especially if I had a point in my life that I said, why did I even try to do this coaching?
Hmm.
Was There was a huge lag from after I graduated NLP
Yeah.
to my first client, a huge lag. And that first client didn't even pay me uh, anything.
Hmm.
So that's how I understand, with all those pain, with all those experience, especially if you get out of it, you get out more wiser, stronger, and better, actually.
Coach, if you could summarize your journey in one sentence, what would it be and why? No, why?
If I could summarize my journey, it's more like uh, a story of a pebble. I have actually remember my book.
Hmm.
Part of my book, there is a story of a pebble. I'll give the shorter version of that. The pebble came from a river. Now that river, someone nagpala, may pumala din. Then the pebble went to a building. Then the building became a structure. The structure became a castle. A castle became Empire State Building. Then it crumbled. Ultimately, it traveled from being a pebble on a river, going back to another river. Because, I mean, the story of that pebble, actually, aabot na isang oras if, if we tell the whole story of the pebble, life is a cycle. Where we started doesn't really matter. Where we end doesn't really matter. It was the journey of that pebble coming from one river, going to add to places, going up on high on Empire State Building, down back to being a pebble. It remained a pebble, but the experience it had is life changing. That's how I feel.
Galing. So nice, bro. And bro, what's one powerful belief or mantra you now live by thanks to NLP?
Thanks to NLP, I always say it's all in the perspective. Everything is your perspective. If I perceive things as going good, being good, it's gonna be okay. It's gonna be okay. If I perceive things as bad, it's gonna be bad. So it's all in the perspective.
Nice, nice. Now, bro, or now, coach, no, for anyone listening who feels stuck right now, what's your message to them, coach?
If you feel stuck right now, it's not forever. But but it's your decision if you want to stay stuck or to get out of it.
Bro, I'm so thankful and grateful for your time. Before we formally end, no, this is your opportunity to share to everyone watching and listening to our podcast, no, kung ano yung ginagawa mo ngayon, where could they, kumbaga, where can they reach out to you, what are the services that you offer, and yeah, just what you do right now, share to everyone, no?
Hi, hello everybody. I am Coach JC. Right now, I offer coaching, NLP coaching, timeline therapy, and hypnotherapy. Aside from that, I also do team building events. If you want it for a company or for family, or I mean, big families, of course. If you want it to be very specific, I can do that for you. If you want to do it online, we also can do that. That's gonna be weird, pero we can do that. Yes. And I also do uh I can be booked in App Your Servicio. That's a new app here in Western Visayas. You can download it in Apple and Play Store. So you can always look me up because I'm the only life coach in the whole of the Philippines right now on that app. So you can easily look for me and see you there.
Wow. Thank you. Thank you. Play Store and Android, right? Android. That's
Yes.
Android, no? Yung sa Android.
Yes. Just type App Your Servicio, or you can go to my page and look for the link. There's also a link.
So the page is Coach JC.
Yes, Coach JC. There are two Coach JCs in Facebook. So the other one is a Kano and the other one is a Pinoy. Look for the Pinoy one.
First of all, bro, I'm so thankful and grateful for you saying yes. I've seen your growth from before, no, in our Gimaras times, and
Yes.
it's so funny, bro, that we were talking about this, no, in Gimaras
Ah,
pa, that
yes.
our dreams, our ambitions, and kumbaga, look kung sana tayo ngayon, tayong dalawa.
Yes.
No? We just
Oo.
took action. We believe in us being able to change our life, having the right tools, and right now we're also creating change in other people. I honor you, bro. I salute you, no. I'm so thankful and grateful for you, and I'm so happy then, no, that you also met the love of your life right now, and sooner or
Yes.
later, no, mga mini JCs naman. Once again, let me introduce myself. I'm Coach June Acevedo. I'm a certified neurolinguistic programming master trainer and a mindset mastery and transformational leadership coach. I've helped thousands gain clarity in their life and transform the lives of more than 100 individuals through our neurolinguistic programming certification program and help them become transformative leaders in their life and in others by equipping them with powerful tools that they can use to overcome all their emotional and mental struggles and have laser focus on achieving the life that they want. Allow me to help you break through your mental and emotional barriers, develop unshakable confidence, and master high performance strategies so you can scale your business, influence with impact, and achieve unstoppable success using powerful tools in neurolinguistic programming, timeline therapy, and hypnotherapy. If you're ready to level up, let's schedule a quick one-on-one clarity session. You never know, that session might be the one that will change your life. Send me a message and let's book that clarity session.